Hello everyone, welcome back to BST African Electronic Surgery, and it's Thursday. Let's fix something. We do have this Bluetooth speaker. Let me see the model. It's I can't see the model of this speaker, but this is some kind of Bluetooth speaker. Maybe this is the model KGS-1886. This speaker is coming from my Oldman. You remember my Oldman who came 2-3 months down the line for the repairs of some radio, and he just disappeared. Today he appeared with something new. So we have to fix this. We have to fix this speaker. And how much is the charge of this speaker? Let me show you. Let me show you something. Check here. This is the cost of this repair. What is this? What is this? That's the cost of this repair. You know, if you are in Zimbabwe doing repairs, expect anything. So the old man bring me some nuts. He said he don't have the money, but he want this radio to be fixed like yesterday. So yeah, the radio, even if you turn it on, you can hear the sound. It's not doing anything, just some funny sound. And even if you plug in on charger, we have a faint charging light. So what I believe is the problem of this speaker. Obvious, we have some kind of highly discharged battery, or the battery is completely dead. So we have to get inside and try to help my old man. And try to help him. This is some kind of cheap repair. So must be able to fix this. That's the speaker. That's the battery. You see the battery? This is the original battery of this Bluetooth radio. And these are some kind of fake lithium battery. This is my problem. Let's check the voltage together. Let's check the voltage together. We do have the multimeter on the screen. So if I'm to check the voltage of this battery, what do we have? We have like a 1 second. We have like a 1.93, 1.2. The voltage is fluctuating. 0, now 1 volts. So I don't even try to come with power supply to bring this battery to life. I know these batteries are fake. What we are doing on such kind of radios, we are replacing these cells with the cells from laptop batteries. We are destroying laptop batteries, taking those cells and replace these cells from the factory. These are some kind of fake cells. The lifespan of these cells is very short. So what I will do, I do have some cells here. So I'll look for one cell with the reasonable voltage, 2.6, 2.9, 2.6. I'm looking for something close to 3 volts. 3.57. So what should we do now? Yeah, we have to help my old man. I've been dealing with him for a long time, and he don't have the money, but with what he have brought to us, we must be in a position to help him. So let's see. Let's see. This must be very quick job. Very, very quick. Just replacing the cell. We put all together and the radio is working. Because the reason why this radio is giving such funny noise, because the battery doesn't have the enough voltage. This is a very used cell with the very low capacitance to hold the charge. So what we'll do is very simple. We are going to replace this with one of the cells which I took from laptop batteries, which I believe is a better modification. As compared to, even if you check the size of the cells, they are not the same. Despite that, all these cells, they are 3.3 volts. The size is not the same. I'll show you what I mean. Check the size of these cells. So this is a better improvement. So all what is left is to stick this with hot glue. We have to stick this with hot glue. And that's all what you have to do. And where this speaker is supposed to be? This speaker is supposed to be here. This speaker is supposed to be here. Hopefully we'll be able to close this radio. Yeah, we can. We can. So even here, we need more hot glue here to hold the speaker. So we are done fixing the radio. We are done fixing the radio. There's no fault here except a faulty battery. We'll test once. Let's put all the screws together. Let's put all the screws together. So how many people, how many technicians can be able to sacrifice their time for something like that. Maybe it's about country, but if you are in a developing country like Zimbabwe, expect something like that. People, they are trying to bring things in order to get other devices to be fixed. Like on phones, people will come with two phones. Can you fix one and take one? It's like the financial crisis is real. It's eating up the country, and most of people, they are struggling financially. So you have to accept, based on the country. So do you now have a working radio? Let's see.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
It's working. Our radio is working. Let me look for a memory card. Let's see.
Music.
It's working fine. You hear the sound? So I told you 90% of the faults of this radio, it is the charging port, it is the battery itself, and obviously on few issues where you have some power supply problem, but it's very rare. So we managed to bring this radio to life. I'm happy. My old man will be happy too. And yeah, our radio is working fine. You can power it on.
Music.
It's playing. This is a good modification because we put another lithium cell which has got a bigger capacitance as compared to the original one. This is better than factory. So what I will do, I'm very happy the radio is fixed. My old man will be happy too. And my parcel, you know, I can't wait. I can't wait. This is my favorite stuff. So I can't wait to fry these peanuts. And hopefully you enjoy all those videos which you posted long ago, and we are also continue uploading new videos, and we'll try to come with something better. Yeah, hopefully will be something better. We'll try to come with something unique, especially on the motherboard side, because many people, they really want to know how to fix laptops. I don't know why. It's like the major concern for everyone. They want to know how the power sequence is working on laptop motherboards, and I'll try to upload as many videos as possible on laptops and TV boards. Obviously, we've done so many videos, but on the previous videos, I think maybe 100 videos or half of the videos from the channel, it's a mess because we're using poor microphones, poor webcams, and I'll try to redo like the whole process, to restart again, uploading videos explaining, because now we are now using like better cameras. Of course, they are not the best, but as compared to the videos which we started uploading from this channel, you see some slight difference. So I'll stop this video now. Like, subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell, and also share our videos to beloved friends and relatives. That's how we grow this platform together. This is not a one-man band. You and I, we can help each other to grow up the channel. So if you have any question and you also want me to explain something, please don't hesitate to leave a comment, and probably I'll answer you on the next videos. See you on the next one. Bye.